And I have the best helper. Huh, Kitty? Oh, Kitty's sleepy. Kitty's so sleepy.
Frugal friends, this video is sponsored by OKAYSOU. Don't forget to check the video description for a special link just for our Frugal Family friends.
This is pillow fluff, and it is for the heart-shaped pillow that we got from Temu. Now we take stuff down. Oh boy, this is for real. This is happening. James is on a work trip while I am starting this. We have the paint, the sheets. Oh my God, look at all this dust. And I think this was stuck on with something else. I'm gonna have to get a scraper to take this off. Oh, there's gonna be lots of dust. This has been up here, what, 10 years? I have dusted it several times over the years, but not recently. Probably should have a dust mask on, honestly. Oh, I think that's stuck on with putty as well, so I have to figure that out. Anyway, he's on a work trip. I want to get at least everything off the walls clean and patched before he gets home, and then together we can work on painting and putting the new bedding and what else? I don't know. I'm thinking about ordering curtains for the closet. I mean, I like what we've done with it, but I don't think it's very romantic or soothing seeing all of this all the time, you know? Already, wow. Ooh, it's exciting. Kitty's excited. Huh, Kitty? Kitty! Awesome. I'm having a thought about this garland that was up there. It might actually make a fun wreath if I do it right. I don't know. Also, I might include this in this month's giveaway. We are coming up on that. And if you want to be entered into the very random Frugal Family monthly giveaway, be sure to tell us in the comments. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you've liked, that you've shared, and then told us all about it in the comment section to be entered. But anyway, these roses, the red ones, they are actually from our wedding. Yeah, from our wedding reception. So you'd be getting seriously a piece of Frugal Family real life history with this. I'm not sure. Should we leave it as a garland or should we make it into a wreath? It is embarrassing, but I'm bringing you along for all of it. You are getting the reality of a dumpster diver's life. Now, let's include, of course, the fact that I have been seriously injured, had several, surgeries, procedures, recoveries, plus my son as well going through that. So it isn't just the fact that we're dumpster divers. It's also that we're dumpster divers in a small house, having dumpster dived once a week for years and years and years and brought in way more than we could possibly handle, dealing with all that along with just life, and things like this, they fall to the wayside because other things more important just have to get done. But that brings us to what this really is prioritizing the real priorities. I'm going to drag the vacuum down here as best I can, and we're going to start dusting. I'm going to get the drill. We're going to start removing all this. There's some I can do right now, like push pins. I can go ahead and take those out, but I need to get the scraper thing so I can get these things off. I think I attached them with putty, but who knows? I've done some dumb things, so we shall see. I am turning on my new OKAYSOU air purifier. I'm going to turn that on high. We're going to have that just go nonstop. I'm not even going to set a timer, though it does. Look how dusty I got it. Good Lord. There we go. But it does have timers, 8 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour. We are so grateful for this partnership with OKAYSOU. Oh, I might even bring the other air purifier down here as well, huh, Kitty? Because it is dusty. Oh, Lord. But I got everything that I could as far as frames and James's cork board and all of that. Step at a time. And I have the best helper. Oh, Kitty. Oh, Kitty's sleepy. Kitty's so sleepy. This is not ideal, and this is not the way it's going to stay, but for the moment, I have dragged all of the frames, wall stuff, whatever, out into the hallway. Where am I going to put it? I don't want to just keep it all out here. It's not ideal. It is a mess. Well, I mean, it's not a mess. It's just, it's in the way. And honestly, really kind of a safety hazard, you know? I'll come up with a place. This is temporary. Very, very temporary. Oh, and my things like this, all of my rainbow and fluffy stuff is not going to be in our bedroom anymore. I will add them here to my recording corner because I want in our bedroom to have it just be a very soothing, grown-up type atmosphere, you know, romantic, whatever, and all my silly stuff. I mean, it's not silly. This stuff is very important to me, but it's not important to James, except that it's important to me. So anyway, I want to have, you know what I mean. I want the right environment in our room. I've had it going nonstop. I am ashamed of how dusty this room is, but I am also so grateful to have a fabulous, high-powered, bedroom-sized air purifier here to help me out.
So how did we end up with another fabulous OKAYSOU air purifier?
This air purifier sure has helped us here upstairs. My husband talks about it almost every day, and he noticed when it wasn't running, and right away, he turned it back on.
With all of that in mind, when OKAYSOU asked if we would be interested in an updated version of the bedroom model, obviously I said yes right away.
I like the size of it. It fits comfortably into our bedroom. I will say that the last one that we had that I did just give to my sister-in-law, it was a bedroom one as well, but it was smaller. But I do feel like this one seems more powerful. It even sounds more powerful. And because we have decluttered and cleaned out our bedroom, along with several other rooms in the house, our new air purifier fits perfectly. It's not in the way at all. The sound levels, not a problem. Beautiful. Felt like just white noise in the background. And a lot of us, myself definitely included, appreciate having some white noise at night. One thing I really liked about it in comparison to the previous bedroom one that I had, not the big one that's in the living room, no, but a couple years ago, the smaller one that OKAYSOU had sent us. Yeah, we have a long relationship with OKAYSOU and I'm so grateful for that. But the other one, it did have this light on it and you could turn it off if you remembered to, but so many times I had turned on the small one and the blue light lit up. But so many times, you know, when you're tired, you're ready to go to bed, you'll turn it on, go get in bed, and you've just barely gotten there or just gotten the covers on, and then you're like, wait, the blue light came on. I'm not going to be able to sleep with this blue light on, and so then you got to go turn it off. I know that seems like such a silly little thing, a simple thing, okay? But it mattered to me. And always with our product reviews, we are going to talk about our experience and how those products worked for us and how we think they might be beneficial or not for our frugal friends. I would definitely say that this OKAYSOU air purifier for the bedroom is perfect. It's just perfect. It doesn't have weird lights that are going to, you know, bother me. The power is fantastic. The sound, perfect. Little bigger than I would like, but it still fits, okay? And with how good James and I both felt this morning waking up, not waking up all stuffy and tight. Oh, come on, that's a win, okay? You can't argue with results. Okay, so that was the air purifier, and yes, it is absolutely true. James asked if we were getting another one because he has loved having it in the front room, in our living room where we hang out, and he has noticed the benefits. I asked him to come on here and say that to you guys. He wasn't super thrilled about that. I don't know why. You guys, I don't know. You guys have asked me for years, why doesn't he want to be on this channel? I don't know. Initially, I thought it was because of the dumpster diving and he just, you know, is not into that. But we haven't even been dumpster diving in like forever. But he doesn't want to be here. I'm going to respect that and just tell you how much he loves the benefits of the OKAYSOU air purifier that we've been using upstairs. And we really enjoyed having the new one, the bedroom size one, in our bedroom last night because I will tell you, normally when I wake up in the morning, I am just clogged, you know, just absolutely clogged, sinuses, all of it. I'm miserable in the morning. Never fails. But we had the new OKAYSOU running last night in our room. I woke up this morning.
No, it's got its perks.
I wasn't all stuffed up and crunched up in my nose. I can only attribute it to the OKAYSOU. Now, I do want to clarify, here comes a cat. I do want to clarify that I am, of course, not any kind of doctor or scientist or whatever. So take all that I say as just the experience that we've had in our home that we are sharing with you, as we do recommend OKAYSOU. Kitty, ¿qué estás haciendo, gatita preciosa? ¿Encontraste luz? ¿Ah, qué buscas? ¿Qué buscas, gatita preciosa, angelita pendeja? Thank you so much for watching, Frugal friends. If you are not yet subscribed, there is a button for that down below, along with a thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll appreciate either, but of course we would prefer a thumbs up. Lots more frugal living related videos coming soon here at the Frugal Family. Thank you, OKAYSOU, for this continued relationship. We're so grateful to you for these products, for providing discounts to our frugal friends. Don't forget, guys, the link is in the video description. Have a beautiful day and a wonderful week, and we'll see you all real soon.